was very interesting. The lecture was very enlightening for the future of many students.
Well, first of all, I was really surprised. I wasn't really expecting it, but I think it's really cool that we have the opportunity to actually have the guest lecture in the first place and then actually have time to talk with someone who actually won a Nobel Prize. That's pretty amazing. So really interesting and really nice opportunity.
I really liked the inspirational part of his lecture, how you should handle stress, handle certain aspects of research, etc. So yeah.
We talked about every different opportunity, and some questions were more technical and others were more on the general how to deal with things. It opens a new avenue in the future, yeah.
And I got to ask a question about a topic he talked about during his lecture, and yeah, for sure, he shared some wise words.
I myself am currently doing my master thesis on molecular switches, so it's really amazing to see that somebody in the field proved to do something so big and so important and actually won a Nobel Prize. So yeah, it kind of motivates me too to continue in the research because it's not in vain, I would say.